मारूफ आलिम दीन बर्मिंगम यूके से ताल्लुक हजरत मौलाना इमाम आदिल शहजाद मुद्दज़िल्लुहुल आली ने मदनी चैनल को अपने तासुरात में आलमी सतह पर होने वाली खिदमत दावत इस्लामी को खूब सराहा और दुआओं से नवाजा।
लब्बैक अल्लाहुम्मा लब्बैक, लब्बैक ला शरीक लक लब्बैक, इन्नल हम्दा वन निअमता लक वल मुल्क।
Dear viewers of Dawat Islami Madani channel, hope and pray that each and every one of you are well. I just want to take this opportunity to applaud the efforts of Amir al-Sunnat, Hazrat Ilyas Al-Qadri Sahib Damat Barakatum Al-Aliyah wal-Qudsiyah. The work that they are doing from Mashriq to Maghrib is work which is much needed and is no doubt recognized as well. And they are doing work on every level, whether it be from ulama who are serving in Darul Iftah in Karachi, or whether it be the awam who are giving their pegham and tabligh to the general masses. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala give Qibla Amir al-Sunnat a long and healthy life and keep their sayah qaim and daim upon the Ahl Sunnati wal Jamaat. There is no doubt a need for the work that they are doing, and inshallah no doubt this work will continue up until the day of Qiyamah as well. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala allow all of us to be united in the mission of Dawat Islami and Amir al-Sunnat.